If that wasn't the longest freaking day on trail. Thunderstorms, rain, cold, wet. Well, my gear's drying outside. I got inside with what I could. I'm freaking hungry. I tell you what. I'm gonna have to go through this pack and find something to eat. I need a recharge. Whew, man. There's no way I could make it over that pass today. 3 miles to go, all these storms, no way. Plus, I am hungry. Oh my god. Good thing them storms hit. Maybe I just call it a day. Okay, what are we gonna do? Tomorrow, 17 miles. Another 4 miles to water, we'll get there. So, just gotta get up and over the pass in the morning. Should be good. Hey, go through this food bag. Okay, there we go. Kale, white bean soup. Yep, been there, done that. Had that one already. Oh yeah, pad thai. I know what that did to my stomach last week. Great flavor, but I think I should do that one right now. And no. There's gotta be something in there. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, mashed potatoes. That's got a lot of flavor. That'll do it. Oatmeal. Yay. Sure, that'll, okay. Nothing like putting a softball size piece of mud in your stomach. Cheddar broccoli. Yeah. How bland can we get? Oh, there we go. A protein bar. Sure. Better used to ward off bears. Throw them at them. Okay, I don't think we can do any more of this stuff. Well, there's a trailhead here close. What if they deliver pizza? It's worth a shot. Well, there's something. At least I get service. Let's see. There's got to be a pizza place around here somewhere. Wow. Well, there's a little mountain town. So let's give that a shot. Okay, let's see. Mama's Pizza open all night. Okay, well, Mama's Pizza it is. Hope they deliver.
Thank you for calling Mama's Pizza. How can I help you?
Well, you guys deliver, right?
We do.
Oh, cool. I just want to get a large cheese pizza.
Just a large cheese? Would you like something to drink with that?
No, I got plenty of water. I just filtered it myself.
Okay, all right. Can I get a location, an address?
No, I'm not wearing a dress.
I'm sorry. So I meant, do you have an address I can have it delivered to?
I got kind of a bad signal here. I thought you asked me if I was wearing a dress. No, actually, I don't have an address here.
What is the nearest intersection?
I just passed the intersection to the Dry Rock Trail, about a half mile back.
I think I need something a little more precise.
Yeah. I mean, I'm on the Colorado Trail, and I just passed the Dry Rock Trail intersection. That's about a half mile back, and there was a trailhead there. I mean, I saw a sign and some cars in a parking lot.
I'm sorry, sir. I think you might be outside of our delivery area.
Well, no, I mean, I'm looking at my phone, and you're only about 20 miles away. Is that too far?
Yeah, sir, yes. We don't deliver outside of... I'm sorry.
Do you guys do Uber?
I'm sorry. No, we don't have any... No, I'm really very sorry. Can you possibly come pick it up?
Yeah, but I mean, I'll be there like tomorrow afternoon.
I'm sorry. So maybe call back tomorrow when
Call
you're
back
closer.
some. You ever heard of trail angels or
Oh,
trail magic? Do you guys do trail magic?
magic? No, we don't do magic, sir. I'm really sorry. I don't
Oh my
think we can
God.
help you.
Okay, well, thanks anyway.
Oh, okay. Well, you have a good day.
Yeah. Jesus Christ, what am I gonna do? Uh, rice, mashed potatoes, oatmeal. Yeah, that's what I want. I've been eating that for days. Oh boy. Yeah, this contactless thing. Okay, well, I guess I'll just drink some hot water and go to sleep.